Wow. I constantly get asked, what is the best DeWalt battery? Is it the 8 amp PowerPACK or the 5 amp hour stacked lithium Powerstack? By the end of this video, we're going to answer that question, but it might not be as straightforward as you think. To really answer that, we're going to test both of these batteries on 3 completely different tools. We've got the DCF860 impact driver, the amazing 1007 hammer drill, and of course the big 3/4 inch DeWalt 964 impact wrench. Let's get these tests started. Now the reason we're testing these is these have the latest battery technology from DeWalt. Of course, other brands have it too. It's not exclusive to DeWalt. But inside of these, we've got tabless cell batteries, which are cylindrical cell batteries. Without getting too technical, basically they have a lot of contacts that can unleash a lot of current, a lot of power. Same idea here, but these are not tabless cell batteries. These are pouch lithium like you'd find in a cell phone. Also very high output, very comparable, but different technologies. Let's not get too deep into that though. We're testing these today. First up, we've got a good old-fashioned torque test. We'll go ahead and start with the 8 amp PowerPACK, fully charged. We're going to be on speed 1, and we're going to be using a pretty large 5/8 by 6 lag screw here. I've got 2 5/16 tiny little pilot holes just to get this going, because we do want to measure max torque. Make sure we're on the right setting here so it records it. All right. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Wow. Hopefully you can see that. Come on, camera. This is embarrassing. Okay. 53.1. That is a lot of torque. Anything over 50 is a lot of torque. I need a new camera. All right, so hopefully that all edits together. Why that screen was so bright you can't see it, I don't know. But I guess if you didn't trust me at some level, you probably wouldn't be watching this channel. So let's just go on to the Powerstack. Stacked lithium onto the Powerstack. Make sure we get what we are trying to beat or match. Here we go. All right. I think we're gonna have the same problem, which is you guys not being able to read that. I put it higher or lower? Ooh, there we go. Okay. Yay. 50.3. So about 3 foot-pounds down on the PowerPACK. 3 foot-pounds, are you gonna notice it? I mean, let's see. That's kind of what matters. It's about the same distance it drove it in. But I mean, if we're measuring stuff, 3 foot-pounds is 3 foot-pounds. So it's a lot more in drills than it is in impact wrenches. Let's move on to an impact driver and see, would you notice those 3 foot-pounds? Let's do that next. We've got the lovely DCF 960, best impact driver they make, well, that DeWalt makes. And we're gonna drive in a 3/8 by 8 lag screw with each battery, and we're gonna see, is there a difference? Do you notice it? Is it like 10 seconds different? As I always say, let's find out. 3, 2, 1. All right. This is some soft wood. That went in really easy. Okay, straight on to the still fully charged Powerstack. 3, 2, 1. So you should see the times on screen right about now. One final test. We're gonna drive a pretty big 1/2 inch by 12 lag screw no pilot holes. Let's see if there is any more separation between these two batteries. We are fully charged. We are in speed 3. So we're going to drive it in, remove it. That'll be one total time, and then we'll compare. Here we go. I love when that VTEC kicks in. I hope you guys can hear that. It becomes quite a handful when that happens. Here we go, Powerstack. Whew, that's hot. Total times on the screen now. Now, one of the most obvious considerations is the size and weight here. Might not matter so much for a big impact wrench, but for a impact driver, which weighs about 39 ounces, let's do it these way. So first up, Powerstack, 26 ounces. PowerPACK comes in at 34.5 ounces. So almost as much as the impact driver. What is that? 8 ounces more than this one. So I can't make a decision on that. It's going to matter differently to you guys. So you are getting more capacity out of this, but you are paying for it in size and weight. So you saw the test. You've seen the results now. The 8 amp PowerPACK was making more torque with a drill driver. It was faster with an impact driver, and it was faster in and out with a impact wrench. So that pretty conclusively answers this is the more powerful battery. I would call it the better battery. Is it significantly better than this? No, of course not. It wasn't. I think the more important consideration is, does size matter to you, and does runtime matter to you? You're getting obviously compact footprint with this. You are getting more power and more runtime with this. Both of them are super impressive. I've said it before, this is my favorite battery Dewalt makes. I usually don't need this. It's great for testing because it just makes so much power. But I think this gives you pretty much max power on all your tools, or close to it. It's relatively small, and you can actually find these for pretty cheap. I think I got these for $50 a pop. I got like 3 or 4 of them. These you can sometimes get in a kit for like $100 when you factor in the kit price. So which one is the more powerful battery? Conclusively, it is the 8 amp PowerPACK, not just the XR, but it's got to be the tabless PowerPACK. This is the most powerful DeWalt battery, at least in 20 volt, maybe the 15 amp hour. Flex Volt's a little more powerful, but I'm not going to be testing that anytime soon. See you guys on the next one. You know, being a tool tester is a tough business. You need tough gloves.